hitters who won in 5 sets against the Creamline Bulls Masters. First off, Coach, congratulations to this victory. Ano masasabi mo sa naging performance ng team?
Hard-fought win. So, sigurado na yun. Yun lang naman talaga yung pinaka-prepare namin na maging mentally prepared nga sa ganitong laban. Alam namin mahirap talaga dahil kahit naman kulang yung Creamline, sila pa rin naman yung core niyan. So, definitely a good win for us.
Thank you, Coach. And for Nika, welcome back. Anong feeling na first game back mo on the Direflex as nakuha niyo pa itong ganitong win?
Nakakapagod. Well, matagal din naman kami nag-prepare. So, in-expect rin namin na mahihirapan talaga makuha yung panalo. But then again, yung tiyaga din ng bawat isa sa amin, yun talaga yung nakatulong.
Thank you, Nika. And for Elena, you scored 34 points against the Creamline. How does it feel to be able to get this win?
Hello everyone. But really I'm not feeling 32 points, but now really I feel a little bit tired, but it's okay. That's all.
Thank you. Nika is open for questions.
Elena, you scored the crucial points in the fifth set. What was your mindset during that moment?
Nothing. No. Every game I want to win, and I want be better and better my team. Yeah.
This is your second PBL after 2 years. What can you say a lot has changed in your team and the league also?
No, this season I think it's too much better, better stuff, better all work in this team. Yeah.
Yes.
Nika, during your recovery din, siguro what was your personal motivation to, kumbaga, not lose or not be distracted and just really focus on getting back for the club?
Sabi ko nga rin before, pag ina-ask ako na kung ano yung mindset ko nung nakaupo lang ako sa labas, sabi ko yung tiwala naman na binibigay namin sa teammates namin and sa coaching staff, nandun pa rin. Pero syempre, kailangan pa rin namin i-prioritize. Kailangan ko pa rin i-prioritize yung sarili ko kasi kailangan ko makarecover din agad. And so far, nakaabot naman ako sa timeline ko and nakalaro ako this conference.
And for Coach Ralph, without Sabi for an indefinite time po, and may mapapalik na rin naman din po sa team. So ano po yung naging adjustments nyo na lang ngayong early to the conference, nagkakaroon na po ng mga ganitong player entries or biglang may nakawala sa team?
Sorry.
Ano po yung parang parang po kayo nag-a-adjust ngayon na
Okay.
sabi po wala,
Wala.
bumabalik.
Hindi, good thing din sa amin, Lena came in early. Parang nakasakto siya dun sa 1 month preparation. So malaking bagay yun sa amin. Plus, yun nga, dyan na pa rin naman yung mga core players eh. Buti nag-step up din si Fio sa dulong part. Naka-ready kami na maging ganun yung core namin kasi in-expect namin si Sav na late na humabol. So at least na-prepare namin na yun yung ginagamit ngayon. Plus the players of the bench na talagang maging ready na kasi kahit sinong bunutin. So good thing nag-perform si Bedonia. Ayun na naman.
Ayun, Nika, finally nakalaro mo na ulit si Lakim tsaka si Majoy. Ano lang yung
Yes.
pakiramdam na ito magkakasama na ulit kayo?
Sakto lang. Joke lang. Oo nga, first time ko lang ulit sila makasama ngayon sa totoong game. Pero siguro kasi since nakakasama ko na rin sila early this year, parang wala rin namang pagbabago. Pero I'm very happy na sila ulit yung kasama ko and yeah.
Coach, gano'n kayo kasi na maganda yung nakuha niyo kagad na panalo. Kasi din na kasi, di ba, naka-pool kayo, medyo mas mabilis ngayon yung transition ng game. Tapos, medyo, yun nga, parang mas mahirap eh, kasi mas kailangan mo laging manalo.
Yun nga, every game is a must win kahit paano. Kasi habol namin pag nag-crossover with the other bracket, sana kami mag-top 3 para hindi ganong kabigat yung magiging ka-crossover namin. Pero yun nga, every game talaga wala na kaming chance na pumetics kasi lahat na ng teams sa bracket din namin nag-level up na rin eh. So hangga't kaya naming manalo, pipilitin para matuloy yung momentum namin.
Coach, good evening. So, ask ko lang, so pinag-usapan namin kanina, first time daw namin makatalo sa Creamline ng opening day since 2018 and kayo yung nakagawa na yun. So, just yung thoughts nyo lang doon, kung gaano kalaking momentum booster.
Regardless nung timeline siguro, kung Creamline namin mukha naman ng panalo, malaking bagay talaga yun palagi. Kasi alam mo naman sila yung laging nasa taas eh. So, at least kahit pa paano, yung nabaon namin from last game, last conference, mas yun yung pinanghugutan namin na kaya naman kung tatrabahuin talaga. Plus the addition nga of Lena. So, happy kami.
For Coach and Mika, next game is against Galleries. Galing din sila from a 5-set game. Paano lang makakatulong tong win na to?
Yun lang, yung positive na momentum. Plus, at least, pagbalik namin ng training, happy kami magtrabaho ulit. Pero wala kaming choice, mabilis lang talaga yung in-between games, kailangan talaga trabahuhin. Pero yun nga, at least magkatrabaho kami ng may baon kami na panalo.
Yes. Yes. Totoo naman yun. Pero dapat hindi rin kami maging complacent.
Yeah.
Na nakuha namin yung unang panalo ngayon. Kasi tapos na rin naman siya. So, kailangan namin mag-focus sa second game.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning.